Nespresso by DeLonghi ENV120GY Vertuo Next Coffee and Espresso Maker, machine white with medium and dark roast coffee. Impossibly good quality, the Vertuo Next machine makes an extraordinary cup of coffee in a variety of sizes. And its quality you can see and taste. The silky crema atop the coffee is the signature of a truly great cup of coffee. Quality enabled by technology, the difference between a good cup of coffee and a great one is pressure. What makes Vertuo coffees so impossibly good is that the Vertuo coffee machine spins the capsule up to 7,000 rotations per minute to extract every drop of flavor. Quality made simple, delivers a consistent and delicious cup of coffee with a simple touch of a button. After brewing, the capsule is automatically ejected and stored, ready to be recycled, and the machine will turn off to save energy. Nespresso Vertuo Line Variety Pack Assortment. This Nespresso coffee assortment offers 30 Nespresso Pods in a variety of 3 best-selling coffee blends for the Nespresso Vertuo line system. 10 Stormio, 10 Audacio, 10 Melozio. Intensity. This assortment will let you explore the rich tastes of the following Nespresso capsules: Stormio, Intensity 8, Audacio, Intensity 7, and Melozio, Intensity 6. It's the perfect choice to discover a distinctive range of extraordinary coffees. Coffee brews 7.8 oz. These Nespresso Vertuo line pods provide you with a 7.8 ounces serving of coffee, which is perfect for a longer drinking experience. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.